Hi Caroline, this is Summer. I thought you had a really good video. We had a lot of the same information in our videos. So you talked about that informed consent, and I agree with you that informed consent is extremely important when starting therapy with new clients. It helps us to provide the client with all of the relevant information about our proposed treatment so that our client will be able to make informed decisions about whether or not they want to consent to treatment or not. It also includes, the risks and benefits of the treatment as well as alternative treatments. And it also, ensures that they know that they have rights to choose whether or not they want to continue on with therapy or even continue on with us as being their counselor or therapist, depending on what field you're going in. The professional disclosure too is really important because it provides information about our qualifications and experiences and our trainings. It lets them know that we're qualified to be able to help them with their needs, and it talked about also like explaining our fees and our policies, our procedures. Um, it helps them to be able to make an informed decision, about whether or not they choose a particular therapist, like whether it's us or if they choose to go to see somebody else. So that is, I thought you had really good information. We both had the uh, same thoughts when we were doing our videos. So I thought you did really well. Also, the telehealth is extremely important as well because during telehealth, consultations are, visits with our client, we run the risk of people overhearing us. They run the risk on their side of somebody coming in, while they're in the middle of their therapy session, or somebody just walking by, their room, or they're, somebody walking around their house when we're in the middle of a therapy session. It's also important that we get a telehealth informed consent from them. It's like, it helps to, sorry, it helps to address like the unique risks and benefits associated with online therapy and our telehealth services. It talks about like technical issues, like you said, which I talked about in my video, confidentiality, how to handle emergency situations if one was to occur, whether it was with the counselor or on the client's side. Something could happen with their Wi-Fi where they get disconnected or we get disconnected. So it's important that we also have a way to be able to call them back and to continue the therapy sessions over the phone. So that's also important to have like a backup plan. But I thought you did a really good job in your video. Like I said, we had a lot of the same thoughts and opinions in our videos. So that was really good. Thank you.